Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We are the electrical based company. We are doing installation, maintenance and service in Saudi Arabia. In this section, we are going to see generator maintenance. We are the best company who provided generator maintenance. We have well experienced engineer and technicians. In generator maintenance, we have four types that are daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, monthly maintenance and annual maintenance. In first we are going to see daily maintenance. In daily maintenance we have fluid level, exhauster system, battery, start and stop function, general maintenance. Next we are going to see weekly maintenance. In weekly maintenance we have fluid level, air filter, belt and hose inspection, load test and start and stop function. Next we are going to see monthly maintenance. In the maintenance we have load test, fuel system, crack case breaker, air grids, battery and cleanness. Finally we are going to see the annual maintenance. In the annual maintenance we have oil and filter change, exhauster system, electrical system, alternator, components and cubicle, wiring and terminals, switchboard, function test. We are the best company of doing generator maintenance. In first we are going to see fluid level. In fluid level we have oil checking, coolant checking and fuel checking. Our employee will verify oil, coolant and fuel level regularly. It increases your generator efficiency and lifetime. Next we are going to see exhauster system. Our engineer will maintain a generator exhauster system, involve regular inspection, cleaning and repair to ensure proper airflow, prevent carbon build up and safe verification. It increases efficiency and prevent in overheating. Next we are going to see air filters. Our employee will check the air filter weekly once, which used to protect the engine system and it increase the lifetime of the generator. Next we are going to see load test. In the load test, our engineer will verify its ability to handle various load and identify potential issue before they cause a failure. Next we are going to see cleanness. Cleaning a generator is very important because it increases the lifetime and the efficiency of the generator. Our employee will take care of your generator and they will clean your generator. Next we are going to see crack case breaker. The crack case breaker is help to prevent excessive crack case pressure buildup which can lead to oil leak and other engine problem. Our employee will check the crack case breaker monthly once. Next we are going to see air grids. Our employee will regularly inspect cleaning and replacing the air filter, which prevent reducing power output and potential engine damage. Next we are going to see wiring and terminals. Our engineer will maintain the wire and terminal of the generator, involve regular inspection, cleaning and ensure the proper connection to prevent the corrosion, lost wire and electrical hazards. To contact our company, please use this information and contact our company. We are the best company of doing installation, maintenance and testing. Thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like our channel and leave your comment in the comment section. Share the video to your friends and families. Click the subscribe button for more videos.